Hello, my name is Sarah Furman, and this is my PowerPoint presentation for my theme for EDCI 270, and my theme is sheep production in Ireland. So why did I pick this theme/topic? To begin, I love sheep. I've been around sheep almost all of my life. I showed them for 10 years in 4-H, and I have shown nationally in over 7 states. Moving on to 2, learning about other economies is important. So how much do they sell their mutton and lamb for, and their wool, and clothing, and just other materials that come from sheep? And 3, viewing how other countries raise and harvest livestock. What breeds do they raise? What facilities do they use to raise them? Do they have different vaccine requirements? And then also with this, I think it'd be really cool to kind of double dip into some of my students' other classes like economy or history or honestly really anything. You can branch this off into several different things. So that is my topic for this class.